Brain blast!
Oh, I found him. Let's go. Right there. Oh, par 3 shots. There he is. Showing in the back the first one, I think. Nice. Yeah, I should aim at him that time. First time. And I think aimed his head though. Oh, maybe I hit him in the body first. I don't think I hit him in the head at all. I got him. Plus him in the lungs was a hard shot.
On to the nuts wheel, on to the nuts wheel, on to the nuts wheel.
Oh, I got it. Let's go. There he is. A red squirrel. That's awesome. Look at that thing. It's so pretty. Hit it good. That's a pretty squirrel. Look at that thing. That's crazy. That's a really pretty squirrel. Look at it. That's a pretty squirrel. It's got that red cold ears. Keep that like that. That's crazy. That's an awesome squirrel. Alright, let me stay out here for a little longer. Oh, that's crazy. I can't believe I actually got that thing. It was pretty far away. It's that perfect for me though. Look at that tail. See, look, they're really small. Like my hand is not huge, but yeah. My hand's like average. And that's a small squirrel, but like has a big red squirrel.